Yung e-wallet at saka yung EG.
Yung electric modernization program, it's a long program na matagal nang hindi ma-implement ang gobyerno. Up to now, walang perang drivers. So sinabi ko, ako na lang mag-provide lahat. No down payment, no guarantee, no percentage. Kausap ko transport group, si Secretary Gio Bautista. Gusto nila kamukha ng jeep, mas mataas lang dahil may nakatayo, 22-seater, aircon. Nakakita ko sa Korea dahil marami akong factory doon, marami akong kakampi, nakumbinsi ko yung e-mobility group. Yung mga gumagawa ng electric cars, electric jeep, electric vehicles, motorcycle, 21 factories sumama sa akin.
Pero mababayaran ho ba kayo?
Oo.
Walang interest, walang down
Walang
payment.
interest, walang down
Yun
payment.
ang malaking bagay.
Malaking bagay yun.
Oo.
No down payment. Ang mabigat kasi down payment eh.
Right.
And may porsyento at the doble.
So, projected ilan